In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the recording storage location in Zoom. Whether you're a frequent Zoom user or you're just getting started, customizing where your recordings are saved can make it much easier to manage your files and keep everything organized. Now, let's dive right into the process and ensure your Zoom experiences are seamless and efficient. To start off, you'll want to open the Zoom application on your desktop. Once you're logged in, take a quick glance at the upper right corner of your screen and you'll notice a profile icon. This is where you have options related to your account settings. Click on that profile icon to begin the customization process. After you've clicked your profile icon, you'll see a range of options appear. What you're interested in here is the settings. So go ahead and click on the settings option. This will take you into a realm of possibilities to tailor your Zoom experience to your liking. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll see several tabs lined up on the left side of the window. These categories include everything from general settings to audio and video configurations. But our target today is the recording tab. This is where all settings concerning your recordings are housed, providing options for both the quality and storage of your files. Click on recording and you'll be presented with some specific recording settings. Under the recording settings, you're going to notice the current location where all your Zoom recordings are being stored. This is handy, as knowing the existing file path can be beneficial if you ever need to backtrack where older recordings are located. However, if you're looking to change this location to a place more convenient for you, you can do so effortlessly. Simply click on the Change button. This action will prompt a File Explorer window to open, allowing you to navigate through your computer and select your desired storage location. Choose a folder that makes sense for you. It could be a folder dedicated to work, a specific project, or just a general Zoom recordings folder. The key here is that organizing your files according to your individual needs will enhance your productivity and simplify keeping track of important meetings or sessions. Once you've selected the folder of your choice, confirm your selection. Congratulations, you have now successfully set your new recording storage location. This change means that all your future meetings recorded on this device will automatically be saved to this new location, making it easier for you to access and manage them as needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to customize your recording storage location in Zoom. This small but significant adjustment can save you time and hassle, ensuring you keep your digital workspace organized. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to update where you save your recordings. Thanks for tuning in and happy Zooming.